Hello and welcome to Thesis Template Online Course Part 4. This time we will take a look at page and section breaks. First of all, make sure you can see the hidden characters. Hidden characters can be turned on the Home tab. There are two types of document breaks: page breaks and section breaks. The page breaks partition only the body text of the document, whereas the section breaks partition the body text of the document as well as page margins, headers, footers, page numbers, and so on. There are simple page breaks, column breaks, and text wrapping breaks. We will take a look here at the simple page break. If there's a part of your text that you want to start on the next page, for example, a table that needs a whole page, rather than dividing onto two pages, then you can insert a page break in order to force it onto a single page. Just place the marker in front of the table and go to the Insert menu and choose Page Break. When it comes to section breaks, we will use the next page section break. You insert section breaks when you want to change the layout. For example, if you want the page in landscape view. This is why there's a section break after the abbreviations page. All pages before the section break have no page numbers. Yet after the section break, the page numbers begin on the introduction page. Now let us take a look at how you can have an image in landscape view. Let's say that you want to have this image in landscape view. Place the marker before the image. Now add a section break. You do this by going to the Layout menu, Breaks, choose the next page section break. If the Shown Hidden Characters function is open, then you will see the section breaks clearly on that page. You should now add another section break after what you want to have on your landscape view page. We just want to have the image and the caption on our page, so we will add a section break just after the caption. Put the cursor right after the caption and add another section break just as the first one. This we do by going to the Layout menu and Breaks. Choose the next page section break. Now you have one page with the image and the caption and one section break before the page and after the caption. To change this page from portrait to landscape, just put the marker somewhere on that page and go to the Layout menu, Orientation. Choose Landscape. You now have a page in landscape view. As you see, you need a section break to go to landscape view and then another to go back to portrait view. If you have another version of Word rather than Word 2019 for Windows, then the layout might look slightly different, but the principle is always the same. Good luck.